Kiss still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over this surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered.
Ayan guys, good morning guys. In case guys, sabi ni Kuya Tol Mr. Oten, good morning Boracay and good morning world. Ayan guys, ayan na nga, ayan ha. Normal talaga ha, normal talaga ang lumot sa Boracay. Ayan ha. This is normal, this is the season of algae because summer is coming. Ayan, ayan guys, umuulan na. Diba? Ayan o. Tsaka may parating pa guys. I can see it from the waves. The algae is coming. I can see in the front of what do you call that? The front of Ambassador. I can see the waves with the algae. It's coming to the shoreline. Ayan, diba guys? Kaya wag na tayo mag-away-away dahil it's a season. It's a phenomenal season of the algae in Boracay. Diba?
Kiss still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over this surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much further. You're on the horizon. You're on the horizon. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life and what you give. It's worth it when you're holding me, when you hold me so close. I'm a brother in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over this surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. You're on the horizon. You're on the horizon. Let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life than I would. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life than I would.
Ayan guys, here at station 2, it's only small, kunti lang. The algae is only a few. So I hope there hindi na siya magdadami, no? Sana dalawa ang puso ko. Pwede na ba guys? baka lalong lumakas yung ulan. Umaambon pa naman. Kuya, bukas na kayo, kuya? Bukas na? Talaga? Wow! Congratulations! Nakalabas na kayo ng rehas. Totoo? Wow guys, bukas na yung Henan Regency Resort and Spa. Ako, tayo, pwede ma-interview. Kumusta naman tayo ang pagkalaya nyo po? Kasi matagal kayo nakakulong eh.
Okay lang, ma'am. Okay lang, ma'am.
Kasi may bakod sila dati. Okay lang. Kasi guys, before there's fence around this Regency. And now, someone tubos-tubos. Tinubos ka ba ni Daddy Simato?
Nakalaya na kami, madam.
Nakalaya na kayo. Guys, nakalaya na sila. Kumusta ang mga bagong laya?
Walang problema. Still strong.
Kasi since the closure guys, this along Regency, it's all, yun, may fence ba? Masaya na kayo, bagong laya na kayo?
Masaya na kami.
Nasaan yung mga kasamahan nyo?
Kahit anong mangyari, hinan pa rin kami.
Congratulations, okay? Congratulations! Happy now? If you're happy and you know it, you clap your hands. Ayan guys. Ayan ang sasaya na nila guys. The boys are happy now, you know. Ayan guys. Na sila, na-release na sila.
Laya na kami.
Laya na sila. Ayan ha. Be good always ha. Boys, thank you boys. Interviewin natin yung mga bagong laya dito. Kuya, kumusta po ang bagong laya? Kasi matagal kayong nasa rehas eh.
Ito, masaya.
Masaya na?
Masaya.
Okay, if you're happy and you know it, you clap your hands. Congratulations, boys. Ayan guys, ang saya-saya na ng mga taga Henan Regency.
Hinan pa rin kami.
Diba guys, ang saya-saya. Bukas na sila. Hi, say hi! Taga saan po kayo? Samar! Tourist po kayo dito? Oh, thank you for coming to visit to Boracay. First time po, madam? Oh, first time! Say hello po! Oh, first time! Wow! Thank you for visiting Boracay Island. Ayan guys, bukas na yung Henan Regency. Ayan, announcement. Kaloka. Dapat maging na sila, number 1, yung sana sumunod sila sa, matuto na sila. Sila. Ayun ko sa wakas. Sa wakas, nakalayan sila na.
Let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit.
Ayan guys, bukas na yung Henan Regency. The Henan is already operating room. Ang saya-saya na ng mga staff. The boys and the staff in Regency, it's all happy now. Nakakatawa naman sila. Siguro na okay na yung papel nila guys, no? Kaya nag-operate na sila.
Let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, even skies the limit. I used to be satisfied.
Ayan guys, diretso na kami market. From Mount Loho to Station 3. Because we are going to cook. Ano yung lulutuin natin? Mahal! Ayan guys, if you're here in Boracay, come visit Talipapa Bukid. Mas mura yung seafood nila dito. Right kuya? Mura dito sa Talipapa guys. Dito kayo if you're looking for seafoods. Ayan siya. Seafoods. Ha? Saan? Ayan guys ha, Talipapa Bukid. If you are seafood person, come to Talipapa Bukid. Kasi there's a lot of here, Seafoods of the seafood. Ano? Okay, Rich B Seafoods daw. Sabi ni Kuya. Feeding seafoods din daw. Ayan na, libre ads na yun ha.
Hi, hello. Good morning to everyone.
Wait lang, interviewin kita kung gusto mo. Sabi mo, dito ka pa sa Korea. Nagtitinda ng seafood.
Philippines.
Kala ko Korea nga, Korea. Dito ka sa Korea, sabihin mo nagtitinda ka ng seafood. Sabihin mo, miss na miss mo na yung asawa mo. Sabihin mo, padala ka na ng pera.
Now I wanna embrace life. You and I side by side. Knowing there is more in life than life.
Ayan guys, we bought a bisugo. Ayan, iluluto namin siya. We're going to cook for paksiw. With, ano yun, chilies. Yum. Masisira ang dieting guys. Ayan guys, masarap ito. Paksiw. Bisugo pala siya. Bisugo. Nagdidilig kayo kuya ng halaman?
Ha?
Nagdidilig kayo? Pauwi na kayo?
Diba, maglilinis kami ng ano yun?
Maglilinis kayo? Ay, kayo sa mga asawa nyo. Walang nag-hi. Sabi ko mag-hi kayo sa asawa nyo. Hi. Hi, hello. Hello. Maglilinis pala kayo.